Hi everyone. Welcome to AMJ World. In this video I would like to show how to make your Windows taskbar transparent. Please, if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified anytime I drop another video. Open your browser and search for Taskbarx or click the link in the description below. When you search for the Taskbarx, make sure is the same as what I'm clicking. Once it opens, scroll down, and under the downloads you will see Microsoft Store, GitHub, old versions so you can install from there. But I will download the portable zip, the 64-bit version. When you are successfully downloaded the file, make sure you have WinRar software. If you don't, have link in the description below. Now open this PC, locate and open local disk C or where your operating system is. Open program files and create new folder and name it Taskbarx. Now open your downloaded Taskbarx and click on Extract in the WinRar software. Locate where you create the Taskbarx folder and click on OK. After the extraction, move to the where you created the Taskbarx folder. Locate and open the file named taskbar configurator.exe. When the configurator is open, click on Transparent and click on Apply. Now move to where the startup is, set the delay to 6 seconds and click on Create. With the shortcut link, click on Generate, Apply and Close. You have successfully turned your taskbar into transparent. If you want to turn it off, click on Default in the configurator where you clicked on Transparent. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified anytime I drop another video. Thank you.